Zip I am here. 5 Unique Philosophies of Shallots, an inspirational cooking spice. Shallots teach many life lessons. Onions are one of the most popular cooking spices. Even in Indonesia, it feels incomplete if cooking without using shallots as one of the seasonings. Unlike other types of onions, shallots tend to be small and red in color. The flavor of shallots is also different, because it is more spicy and distinctive. No wonder the use of shallots seems to give a more delicious taste to every dish. Not only from its function, shallots have the following philosophies that are often used as life lessons. 1. Shallots have a layer of skin structure. Shallots do have a small size, but their structure is very unique. The structure of shallots looks layered, making you have to open each layer before use. Like life, shallots seem to represent the processes that exist in life. All these processes must be passed before finally being ready to reap positive results in every form of effort. 2. Slicing shallots requires strategy. Shallots are famous for containing substances that can make the eyes sting. This is what makes many people seem to often feel pain in the eyes every time they slice shallots. No wonder slicing shallots alone seems to require its own strategy. This seems similar to the journey of life that sometimes often encounters difficulties. If it continues to be forced, it will hurt physically and mentally. Therefore, you need a special strategy in undergoing every challenge in life, so that you can get through it without feeling burdened. 3. Despite its small size, its existence is important. Onions are small in size and unlike other types of onions. However, many people can't cook if they don't have shallots in the kitchen. The reason is because the role of shallots seems very crucial in every dish. This should give you a life lesson to never underestimate anything. Even if it's just a small and simple thing, it can have a big impact. 4. Shallots symbolize greedy and arrogant behavior. When you hear the terms shallots and garlic, you might immediately think of a popular fairy tale. Shallots are already a symbol of greed and arrogance. This is due to its small size, but it seems to hurt the eyes of the person who slices it. From the fairy tale you see, then you can take one philosophy. The philosophy is to avoid greed and pride. The reason is because these two traits can lead to bad things in the future. 5. Has many benefits. The existence of shallots is not just a seasoning. However, shallots seem to have many other health-related benefits. This is what makes many people call shallots a plant that is full of benefits. You can take the moral message to remain a person who always provides benefits around you. Although it may only be in the form of simple things, it is still meaningful if there are benefits for the people around you. Shallots have managed to provide many valuable moral messages. Of course, you can take every positive side that exists, making it easier for you to emulate it.